To understand Dacquoise, imagine two crispy, sugary clouds hugging a thick slab of creamy fat. Is there a faster way to speedrun diabetes? I don't think so. This cake has endless variations, so I didn't bother finding the authentic one. I just picked the version that didn't require a PhD in French pastry. We start with egg whites. Throw them in a stand mixer with a whisk attachment, add a pinch of salt and turn it on low. If you don't have a stand mixer, just close the video now and go watch another tutorial. Sorry, I'm just joking. Or am I? You can use a hand mixer as well, or a whisk if you're really good at working with your hand, if you know what I mean. Just kidding. I don't know what you thought I meant, but obviously I was talking about masturbation. Once the egg whites get fluffy, we can start adding sugar, spoon by spoon, again and again and again until you either run out of sugar or the will to live. Now, some might say, but Peter, that's too much sugar, I'll get fat. Well, first of all, yes you will, and second of all, I'm not Peter. While we're waiting for our egg whites to beat, you can use this time to ask yourself, what's the meaning of life? Why are you even here? Just to suffer? Is your purpose to endlessly rot your brain with YouTube videos until one day you realize there's actually no meaning? And soon... Oh, looks like we're done. Egg whites are ready. After all the sugar is incorporated, add teaspoon of vinegar or lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and mix 1 more minute. In case you're wondering why we added vinegar, you wouldn't believe how obvious the answer is. Anyway, the meringue is done. Kind of. Now you need to take dates and walnuts and chop them. By the way, the easiest way to get walnuts is from wall, obviously. You can now use following highly advanced technique to chop walnuts. Just do it like this. Take the knife and smash it against the cutting board to shock the walnuts, which will make them disintegrate. Still too rough? Just do it again. I prefer them even more fine, so I'll do it one last time. Now we're good. Same deal for the dates. Just do it separately first, then switch from individual to massive destruction mode and do it again. Toss everything into egg whites and mix it gently. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, fan on. And now mark your future little nests, about 10 centimeters across. Sorry Americans, that's about 0.3 feet, which is about this much. Perfect scientific accuracy. For shaping, put the meringue inside one of the circles and try to make it look like a circle, or at least something circular adjacent. Then perform some kitchen magic. It doesn't always work as expected. Whoop, there it is. If that doesn't work for you, I'm sorry to say, but you're probably mine. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius, fan on for 5 minutes, then drop to 120 degrees for 90 more minutes. Halfway through baking, play your Uno swipe card for even cooking. Then turn off the oven, crack the door open, and let them cool inside until they're dry and crisp, hours or overnight. They should be crisp on the outside, just like that plant you swore you'd water. Now the filling. Whip heavy cream to soft peaks. And in a separate bowl, mix mascarpone with dulce de leche. Fold the two together gently. Add chopped dates and walnuts, fold again, and you're done. I've read it needs to stabilize in the fridge. What is it? Emotionally unstable? Anyway, into the fridge it goes for a few hours. Now take one piece, scoop the cream onto it and top with another. You can use a spoon like a caveman or pipe it out like a 300 IQ mastermind. That's up to you. First serving, top with dates and dust with cocoa. Crispy outside, soft inside, just like heaven. Assuming that heaven is soft, which no one ever confirmed. I give this 4.5 Owen Wilson wows out of 5. And remember, happiness is temporary, but sugar is forever.